Gusto ba ninyo nitong mango overload muffins? Kayang-kaya nyo to sa bahay. Panoorin lang nyo. Today, we are going to do mango overload muffins. Oh, muffins yan. Madali lang yan. I'm using 2 kinds of mango. Actually, 3. Kasi gagamit tayo ng mango extract. O yan, oh, mango extract. Pero, gagamit tayo ng ito. I'm chopping dried mangoes. And we're going to use fresh mangoes to hydrate our muffins. Wow! Yan ang pantutubig natin. This is not a fine chop. I want a rough chop. Dry ingredients first, okay? Preliminary rules of baking. Dry ingredients first. I put in our all-purpose flour. Put in our sugar. This is so easy. No technique needed. Mix everything together and you're going to get your delicious muffins. Okay? Brown sugar. We're going to mix our dry ingredients and we'll put in our baking soda. We'll put in our salt also. And we put in our spices. We put in our cloves, okay, our sweet wood spices, cloves, and cinnamon. Wow, this is really going to be very good with the mangoes. Now, we put in our wet ingredients, okay? Half a teaspoon of mango extract. We're going to put in our eggs. We'll put in our mango puree or blended fresh mango and oil. Okay, so just mix this all together. You can do this the night before. Take it out of the ref. Serve it for breakfast. Or take it out of the ref. When the kids are around, you have a delicious merienda. Here's some flour na natira. I'm going to put our mango here. Why do I mix the mango with the flour? So that the mangoes don't sink in. We'll coat the mangoes in flour. And all you need is a tablespoon. We'll coat the mangoes in flour. And the mangoes are not going to sink into the batter of our muffin. I have our muffin pan ready. Of course, that's a wonderfully kitchen pro. You can also bake in an air fryer. Of course, you have a smaller capacity, but you can be very successful with this. Dried mango. Just get lightly buried, but will not sink to the bottom. Let's pop this already in the oven. And get this baking. Hello mga kaluto! Gusto ba niyo yung mga recipe ko? Yung mga madaling sundan? Don't forget, like and subscribe. Type lang ninyo Chef Gene Gonzalez. Ang dami kong recipe nandiyan dyan. Kanina pa akong ganadong tikman to. Wow, there you go. Oh, it's been 25 minutes. And we have our muffins. Oh. Wow! Beautiful interior. Wonderful aroma. Wonderfully moist inside. Mango overload muffins. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Until next recipe, this is Chef Gonzalez from the Center for Asian Culinary Studies. Dalawin nyo kami. Aral kayo rito.